Hi everybody, I am here to talk about Soundzabound, and it is one of the Iowa AEA online resources that you have available to you as a student, and we are going to talk about it, how you can grab royalty-free music to use in all of your creative content that we're going to be asking you to work on this school year. So without further ado, you would proceed to the iowaeaonline.org website, where you would see the menu on the left-hand side. Soundzabound is toward the end, the bottom of that menu. When you click on that, it takes you to this website. I am already signed in. Because of this will be posted on YouTube, I cannot put our username and password out there for the world to see. So you'll need to get that from your librarian to log in correctly. And once you're logged in, then I think the best way to approach Soundzabound is to browse by category. They have a list of all of these different categories, and hopefully many of the names will give you some kind of sense of what the music is that you're listening to, and that you have some idea of what kind of type of music that you want or need for the different variety of projects that you'll be working on. So if you know you're doing something where you need some scary music, you might go to the horror category. If you know you're doing something funny or lighthearted, maybe you need some game show music. And then they also have some categories toward the bottom that are sound effects or sound alikes. Those will give you noises like applause or trains or things like that. And then they have background sounds, and they have a couple volumes of those as well. To look at music, we'll use the game show as an example here. So you would click on a category, and within a category, each category is a little bit different. The game show one happens to have many pages of different kinds of music, and so you want to make sure that you look at all of the pages there. And then it gives you lots of different options. In this particular one, there apparently are several ones that they're calling beat blasts, and they're all just a second or two long. And they kind of go on. Then they have one called the beat stutter and the big game show. These get to be a little bit longer. So as you're looking for things, you can certainly click on the play buttons and preview the entire clip. And so let's see what beat stutter number 3 is. That was a fabulous beat stutter number 3, in case you wanted to use that in your project. Once you have a clip that you are interested in using, then you would click on the download button. This will download to your student download folder when you are on your own accounts within the district. And then if you want to make sure that you save that, so you don't have to download it if you don't quite get to use it in class in the same class period, you need to move it from your download folder over into your H drive. Because the download folder will delete every time you log out. It's not that you can't come back to Soundzabound and grab it again, but it will just save you the step if you make sure that you move all of your stuff from the download folder to your own H drive before you log out of any session. Okay? So there are tons of different categories. I'm going to go back here and remove the game show search and click on a different category. Let's check out what Brazilian music we have. I wanted to do this just to point out that for some of the ones that are the same title here, but are more music versus sound effects like that game show thing was, they actually do offer it in different lengths. And so you can certainly play the whole song, each length, I guess, category. And if you know that you only need 15 seconds or something less than that for your project, just download the size that you need. If you want to be able to pick which 15 seconds you want to use, certainly you're welcome to download one of the other ones as well. Alright, that's all I have to say for Soundzabound. I look forward to seeing all of this awesome royalty-free music incorporated into your projects this school year. Thanks and have a great day, everybody.